Myself, Rajendra S. Karade. My qualification is MSc Chemistry there and experience of 28 years. Now today we are going to discuss about reducing and oxidizing agent. First we will discuss about reducing agent. Which is also called as reductant. Now what is the definition of reducing agent or reductant? Reducing agent or reductant are nothing but the substance that causes reduction means provide hydrogen or electropositive element or remove oxygen or electronegative element. Or lose electrons. That means lose or donate. That means substance that causes reduction, that is provide hydrogen or electropositive element or remove oxygen or electronegative element or donate electrons. That means reducing agent or reductant are nothing but the electron donor, but this reducing agent or reductant are itself oxidants. This is regarding about the definition of reducing agent or reductant. Second, oxidizing agent or oxidant. Substance that causes oxidation. Causes oxidation means provide oxygen or electronegative element or remove hydrogen or electropositive element or acid electrons. That means oxidizing agent or oxidant are the electron acceptor. That means this oxidizing agent or oxidant are itself reduced. In a simple sense, keep in mind the definition of reducing agent or reductant. That means those substance which reduces other and itself oxidize, while oxidizing agent or oxidant are nothing but the substance which oxidizes other and itself reduces. Now write down example. ZnS plus twice SClAq gives ZnCl2aq plus H2 gas. Now from this reaction identify which species undergoes oxidation and which species undergoes reduction, which acts as a oxidizing agent and which acts as a reducing agent. Now here write down first loss of electrons, that is oxidation. Now here ZnS is converted into Zn2 plus ion. This is 0 charge and here 2 plus or plus 2. That means ZnS is converted into Zn2 plus ion by the loss of 2 electrons. That means this ZnS causes reduction and itself oxidize. Hence, the ZnS acts as reducing agent or reductant. Now listen here. In the given reaction, ZnS is converted into Zn2 plus ion by the loss of 2 electrons. That means this ZnS causes reduction and itself oxidize. Therefore, the ZnS acts as reducing agent or reductant. Here, write down the reaction. ZnS is converted into Zn2 plus Aq plus 2 electron. as there is loss of electron, therefore type of this reaction is oxidation. In a similar manner, let us consider gain of electron, which is also called as reduction. Here twice H plus ion is converted into H2 gas by the gain of 2 electrons. That means this H plus ion causes oxidation and itself reduce. Hence this H plus ion act as oxidizing agent or oxidant. Here write down the reaction. Twice HClAq gives twice H plus Aq plus twice Cl minus Aq, and twice H plus Aq plus 2 electron gives H2 gas, that is reduction. Now write on next topic. Redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. Now, first we'll discuss about the definition of redox reaction. This redox word clearly indicates that there are two types of process, reduction and oxidation. That means a redox reaction is nothing but the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Redox reaction is the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Now, first we'll discuss about the oxidation process and then we'll discuss about the reduction process. Now let us consider here oxidation process involve loss of electrons by an atom or group of atoms. Oxidation process involves loss of electron by atom or group of atom. That means this atom or group of atom causes reduction and itself oxidize. That means this atom or group of atom causes reduction and itself oxidize. Therefore, this atom or group of atom acts as reducing agent or reductant. In a similar manner, here write down reduction process. A reduction process involves gain of electrons by an atom or group of atoms. That means this atom or group of atoms causes oxidation and itself reduce. That means this atom or group of atom acts as oxidizing agent or oxidant. Now, this is regarding about oxidation process and reduction process. As the redox reaction involves oxidation and reduction simultaneously, that means redox reaction involve loss of electrons due to oxidation process and gain of electron due to reduction process. But keep in mind, the most important point in the redox reaction is that number of electrons lost during oxidation process is equal to number of electrons gained during reduction process. Hence, redox reaction does not involve any electrons. Now this oxidation and reduction takes place side by side. That means oxidation takes place at the cost of reduction. That means this oxidation and reduction process go hand in hand. Go hand in hand means oxidation and reduction takes place side by side. That means oxidation takes place at the cost of reduction. That means these two processes go hand in hand, and hence redox reaction is nothing but the electron transfer reaction. Now here I know application. Concept of redox reaction is applicable only to ionic compound but not covalent compound. That is concept of electron transfer. Concept of electron transfer is applicable or can easily explain the redox reaction in ionic compound but not in covalent compound. Now here I have an example. Twice Mg solid plus O2 gas gives twice MgO solid. Here write down 0, 0, plus 2 and minus 2. Now identify which species undergoes oxidation, which species undergoes reduction, which acts as a oxidizing agent and which acts as a reducing agent. Now let us consider here first loss of electrons. That is oxidation. Now here twice Mg is converted into twice Mg 2 plus ion by the loss of 4 electrons. 1 Mg lose 2 electrons, hence 2 Mg lose 4 electrons. That means here this Mg causes reduction and itself oxidize. Therefore, this Mg acts as reducing agent or reductant. That is, twice Mg solid gives twice Mg2 plus Aq plus 4 electrons. As here there is loss of electron, therefore name of process is oxidation. In a similar manner, let us write down here gain of electrons that is reduction. Now here O2 gas is converted into 2 minus due to the gain of 4 electrons. That means this O2 gas causes oxidation and itself reduce. Hence, this O2 gas acts as oxidizing agent, that is oxidant. That means here write down reaction O2 gas plus 4 electron gives twice O2 minus, and here name of process is reduction. That means here there is a transfer of 4 electrons from Mg to O2. This O2 get these electrons if Mg donating. That means here also oxidation and reduction takes place side by side. That means oxidation takes place at the cost of reduction. That means these two processes go hand in hand. That means this is also the example of electron transfer reaction. Now write down types of redox reaction. Now, first, what is the definition of redox reaction? Redox reactions are those reactions where the oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Here write down only for CBSC L1, NEET and JEE. First here write down direct redox reaction. Now, what is the meaning of direct redox reaction? That means redox reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the same vessel. Now, what is in the indirect redox reaction? Redox reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the different vessels. Now, these are very important reaction because this form the basis of electrochemical cell. Now here write down example. Redox reaction in aqueous solution. Now here consider the reaction between zinc metal and copper 2 ion in aqueous solution. Now here write down ZNS plus Cu2 plus Aq gives Zn2 plus Aq plus Cus. Now here write down loss of electron. That is oxidation. Here ZNS is converted into Zn2 plus ion by the loss of 2 electrons. That means this ZNS causes reduction and itself oxidize. That means this ZNS acts as a reducing agent or reductant. That is ZnS gives Zn2 plus Aq plus 2 electron, and the name of this process is oxidation. In a similar manner, gain of electron reduction, Cu2 plus ion is converted into Cu due to gain of 2 electrons. That means this Cu2 plus ion causes oxidation and itself reduce. That means this Cu2 plus ion acts as oxidizing agent or oxidant. That is Cu2 plus Aq plus 2 electron gives Cus, that is reduction. That means there is a transfer of two electrons from ZnS to Cu2 plus Aq. Cu2 plus Aq. That means Cu2 plus Aq gain these two electron if ZnS donate it. ZnS donate it. That means this oxidation and reduction process takes place side by side. That means oxidation takes place at the cost of reduction and vice versa. That means these two processes go hand in hand, and hence this redox reaction or oxidation reduction reaction is also the example of electron transfer reaction. Now, then write down numericals. First numerical is, this numerical is only for CBSE 11, NEET and JEE. Here I don't first numerical, identify the species undergoing oxidation and reduction. in the following reaction. Here I down first reaction is H2S solid, H2S gas plus Cl2 gas gives twice HCl gas plus S solid. Second, thrice Fe3O4 solid plus 8 ALS gives 9 FES plus 4 Al2O3. Yes. Now here write down first A. H2S gas plus Cl2 gas gives twice HCl gas plus SS solid. Now in the first reaction, H2S is converted into S. Compare these two species. That means there is a removal of hydrogen. That means this H2S is oxidized. H2S is oxidized because more electropositive element H2S is oxidized. This is because there is a removal of hydrogen. And here then compare Cl2. Cl2 is converted into HCl. That means there is an addition of hydrogen. That means here Cl2 is reduced. This is because there is addition of hydrogen. In a similar manner, let us write down the second example. Thrice Fe3O4S plus 8 ALS gives 9 FES plus 4 Al2O3S. In this case, Fe3O4 is converted into Fe. That means here Fe3O4 is reduced. This is because there is removal of oxygen. converted into Al2O3. That means here AlS is oxidized. This is because there is addition of oxygen. In a similar manner, write down the one example for homework. Identify the oxidant and reductant in the following reaction. Oxidant means oxidizing agent and reductant means reducing agent. Here, number 8, CH4 gas plus 4Cl2 gas gives CCl4 gas plus 4HCl gas. Number B, I2 aqueous plus twice H2O3 2 minus aqueous gives twice I minus aqueous plus H4O6 2 minus aqueous. Now try to solve this example in your homework. Now keep in mind the most important point is that species that undergo oxidation act as a reducing agent or reductant, and the species that undergo reduction act as oxidizing agent or oxidant. Now write down oxidation process involved. Number A, addition of oxygen. Number B, removal of hydrogen. Number C, loss of electrons, and number D, all of these. Here the correct answer is all of these. In a similar manner, write down question. Reduction process involve number A, addition of hydrogen, number B, removal of oxygen, number C, gain of electrons, and number D, all of these. Here the correct answer is D.